How to send money PayPal to PayPal. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can send money PayPal to PayPal, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to send money from PayPal to PayPal, you have to open up the PayPal application here and then just make sure that you want to sign into your account. Now the person you're trying to send money to also needs to have a PayPal account, and right here you'll find an option that says pay from your phone. So tap on the send now option. Now you can simply enter the name, username or email, or you can simply select one from their particular contacts here, and once you select them from your contacts, you can simply enter the amount of money that you would like to send them. Then you can just tap the next option, and once you tap on the next option, you should be able to go ahead and then basically send them the money. That's all it takes to go ahead and then basically send money from PayPal to PayPal. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, queries or doubts, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.